Kemosi, you came from Kwale yesterday. You have not been around. I'm asking a yokali. Uko up. Yeah? Ntoma isiko kwana Kemosi, estali yetogo kwana. Umoskoyo needs a lot of support. Mo maisko anya, mo iche birero, yotota yatetu assist yabas. Onye campaign kere bogirango Kemosi, na yana ngobo lumisonde. Why don't you go and support Umoske Fred Nyasiongo? Na seki, muta na support you mwana olio tenenengani. Let's do that. Yani haitoshi. Nende tu isaini no ana asini. Unamwaga nyagaro Fred yago ito mama na kuanza kumosungo. Umoske Fred. And I really want to say this. Abaska abami ndobo speed tigabalinge tishati elinde barwe support. It's not enough. Onye dogo support Umoskoyo tuwezi naba gusitole ninje nabere kwa ndagera asinate ono mugusiko ikaichama. Eline tuwa leba gaining power. Yeah, Kemosi, you came from Kwale yesterday. You have not been around. I'm asking a yokali. Uko up. Yeah. So you want to tetua icheka to achire gato bega masabai to torosia basani tutofte njia yako kono Umoskoyo minto. To lige nchera to support ke sabukium gusi. Yeah. I'm one person who is action oriented. Umoske Fred umbole rega ikarangu mukwana. Ako mbona Josh na kinga ikuwa agenda. Of course kwa nyana ndo liko I've been the chairman. Ya kokasi. Ekero na igire leve yo ngomo boli ne kerenya na ngwa ke kura. At least ina moleta Umoskoyo and he's a very good candidate by the way. A very good candidate. Lakini bwana kerongwa ke kura. Ekerenyo. Lakini mbetinga kazi UDA kera nondo.